Okay, first of all, the question everybody is asking is when will Green Dragon be back?
Yeah, we have closed this Friday, September 19th, and we're going to do everything in our power to open again on September 26th. And we want to only be down for 1 week. Certainly we're going to rebuild, and we will be open while we rebuild.
And that's got to be the case. There's no way you're going to have this place rebuilt, so chances are you're going to be open with construction going on.
Correct, yeah. That's absolutely going to be the case, yes.
Okay. Can you talk about, you mentioned that your father was down in Lewis, Delaware, and you got a call. Can you talk a little bit about that? How you found out about it?
Early Saturday morning, Officer Paul Moore called my cell phone, woke me up out of a dead sleep, and basically told me that the whole central part of the market is in a blaze. And my wife and I were kind of we didn't really know what to do or what to say. Threw on our clothes as fast as we could, and we got down here. Luckily, we live close by. Most helpless feeling in the world. You just you can't. There's nothing you can do. You just stand there and you watch your business burn.